Hey, it's Noe with WTI. Check out this beautiful white paper towel holder from HESHIBI. I love that this paper towel holder is beautiful, it's modern, it matches my kitchen decor. This tall pole in the middle of the base allows you to move the paper towel holder around easily. Something that really bothered my husband about our previous one is that you could not grab it from the top, which made it a little bit harder to maneuver or move around the paper towel holder from the kitchen table to the counter or even to another room. The weighted marble base allows you to quickly pull off a piece of paper towel without it tipping over. It also has these little cushions at the bottom of the base to prevent any scratching on your kitchen surface. And it also provides a little gripping so that it stays in place. So if you're looking for the perfect paper towel holder for your kitchen, then I would highly recommend this marble base weighted paper towel holder from HESHIBI. And that's my point of view.